Did you know that nearly 50% of adults experience bad breath at some point in their lives? Crazy, right? Just imagine how many awkward moments that can lead to. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a topic that many of us, if not all, have faced at some point. Bad breath. It's more common than you think, and it can be a real confidence destroyer. But don't worry, I'm here to share a game-changing trick that'll help you get rid of bad breath forever in just 24 hours. So let's break it down. Bad breath, or halitosis, can stem from a variety of causes. It could be something as simple as what you ate, like garlic or onions, or even more serious issues like gum disease or tooth decay. And let's be honest, nobody wants to be that person who clears a room just by talking. Bad breath can really affect our social interactions and confidence, making us hesitant to engage in conversations. You might find yourself avoiding close contact or even skipping social gatherings altogether. It's tough, but the good news is we can tackle this head-on. Now let's get a bit scientific for a second. Bad breath is often caused by the bacteria in our mouths that break down food particles and produce sulfur compounds, which are those stinky odors we want to avoid. This is where oral hygiene comes into play. Brushing your teeth, flossing, and using mouthwash regularly are essential practices to keep those bacteria at bay. But here's the kicker. Even the best oral hygiene routine can sometimes fall short. That's why understanding the root causes and knowing how to combat them is crucial. So if you've been struggling with bad breath, you're not alone. All right, here's the moment you've all been waiting for. The one simple trick to kick bad breath to the curb in just 24 hours is... drumroll, please. Don't worry, here's the solution, do you know? This mineral in your mouth to rebuild your gums and teeth. It may sound odd, but it is scientifically proven. According to a Harvard scientist, swallowing these newly discovered bacteria is all you need to do to fix all your dental issues. From gum bleeding and teeth rotting to bad breath and cavities, these amazingly efficient bacteria work by reconstructing your enamel, the outer layer of your teeth, making them 20x stronger than a normal tooth, like a titanium shield against cavities, root infection, and enamel erosion. Some say their teeth are now stronger than a dental implant. Who would have thought that a candy could save anyone struggling with tooth decay and inflamed gums? This natural soft candy has stunned both scientists and people all around the world. Simply let it melt in your mouth after brushing your teeth to get rid of cavities almost overnight. It will not only restore your teeth, but also rebuild your gums and eliminate bad breath. See here the amazing results of 34,788 people who have already tried this. Check out the link in the description. And in only 10 seconds, you will find out if your teeth have aged prematurely and whether you risk losing them in the next 2 years. Find the test in the description and what you can do to rejuvenate your teeth and gums. Click link in the description to do the test in the next 10 seconds.